Can AI build a complete e-commerce business? I'm not talking about just a homepage. I mean a real online store where customer can browse products, create an account, add items to cart, complete the payment, receive order confirmation, emails, track their orders, while the business owner manages product, inventory, CRM, customer data, automation, analytics, and everything else from one dashboard. Well, in this video, we are going to find this out. Using GoHighLevel AI Studio, I will build a complete fashion e-commerce business from a single prompt from scratch, including a modern front end, product catalog, shopping cart, secure checkout, multiple payment options, customer accounts, live order tracking, and a fully functional admin dashboard. We will also import our own product in bulk, connect the store with GoHighLevel CRM, set up a real order confirmation emails, taste the complete customer shopping experience, and finally see how the entire business is managed from a single dashboard. So if you like to build the same project along with me, you can start your GoHighLevel free trial using the link in the description. Just go and check out. Now let's get started. So I have already prepared my prompt using ChatGPT. It contains all the requirements for the fashion e-commerce website that I want to build. Now let's get back to GoHighLevel website. From the left sidebar, open AI Studio. Here I will simply paste my prompt into the AI Studio chat box. In this prompt, I have asked AI to create a premium online fashion store called Urban Style. Along with the storefront, I also want a complete product catalog, shopping cart, secure checkout, customer accounts, live order tracking, CRM integration, inventory management, and admin dashboard, sales analytics, and all kind of automation. Basically, a complete online business, not just a simple website. Now, HighLevel AI Studio has started working. As you can see, it's understanding the prompt, planning the project, generating the website structure, creating all the required pages, and building every feature step by step automatically. This process usually takes a few minutes depending on the complexity of the project. I will just skip the waiting part. Now, I think our website is ready. And honestly, I really impressed with what HighLevel AI Studio has generated. You can see this. I will just review everything. Let's start with homepage. Right now, you can see it generated a premium looking hero section with a clean and modern fashion brand design. As I scroll down, we have trust badges like free shipping, easy return, and AI fit recommendation, followed by feature collection, shipping category for men, women, footwear, and accessories, and a beautiful product showcase. Each product card includes images, pricing, wish list, quick add to cart, and smooth hover effect. Further down, we also have customer review and VIP membership section for exclusive offers. Overall, the homepage looks clean, modern, and honestly feels like a professionally designed fashion website. Now let's move to the product catalog. Here we have all the product displayed in a clean grid layout. On the left, customer can filter products by category, price, color, size, while top includes sorting options and AI-powered search to quickly find products. If I open any product, we have a complete product page with multiple images, color and size selection, quantity controls, product details, customer review, delivery info, and related products. Once everything is selected, customer can simply add the item to a shopping cart. The cart is also well designed, allowing user to update quantities, apply coupons, review their order, and continue to a secure checkout. Finally, we have the customer account section where user can manage their profile, view order history, track deliveries, manage saved addresses, and access loyalty rewards all from one place. But this is only the customer side. The really interesting part is what the business owner gets behind the scenes. So now let's open the admin dashboard. This is where you manage the entire store. Right on dashboard, you can see the key business metrics like revenue, orders, customers, and overall sales performance. From the product section, you can add or edit products, update pricing, manage categories, and control inventory all from one place. The order section has lets you track every order and update its status from processing to shipped and delivered. There is also a built-in CRM where all the customer information and order history are automatically organized. On the top of that, you can create automation for order confirmation, shipping updates, cards, review requests, and much more. Honestly, this feels much more than just an AI website builder. In just few minutes, HighLevel AI Studio has generated a complete fashion e-commerce business with the website, admin panel, CRM, and automation all connected in one platform. Now the store already comes with some sample products generated by AI. But of course, for a real business, you will want to add your own products. You can easily do that from the admin panel, just like Shopify, by adding products one by one from here. But for this demo, I want to save some time and import all my product in bulk. So I have already prepared an Excel file containing all the product information, including product title, image URL, price, category, and other required details. As you can see, everything is already organized inside the spreadsheet. Now I will simply copy all of these details and paste them into AI Studio. Once I submit it, HighLevel AI Studio start processing everything automatically. It reads all the product information, creates new listings, and replaces the sample products with my own products. Okay, it is doing now, and within few moments it's done. Now let's refresh the website. You can see, and here we go. As you can see, all my products have been added successfully, along with their images, pricing, categories, and other details. Now our store is ready. So let's place a real order and taste the complete shopping experience. Right now, our website is running as a front-end application. So, to send a real order confirmation emails, shipping updates, incomplete cart reminders, or review request emails, we need two things: a CRM and an email delivery services. GoHighLevel works as a CRM. It stores customer information, manage orders, track customer activities, and handle all the business workflows and automations. While Email.js works as an email delivery service, whenever HighLevel triggers an email event, Email.js takes the email template, fills it with the customer's order details, and send a real email directly to the customer's inbox. So first, let's set up Email.js. So I will just open Email.js website and create a free account. I have choose this because it's totally free. You can generate or send, I think, 200 emails per month. So if you are starting, your website is just starting, then Email.js is best for you. So after signing in, the first step is to create an email service. I will simply connect my Gmail account, but you can use any email provider that Email.js supports. Once the connection is complete, Email.js automatically generates a service ID. We will need this letter, so I will just copy it. Next, I will create a new email template. This template defines the email that customers will receive after the placing an order. Here, I will add dynamic variables like customer name, order ID, purchased product, tracking number, shipping address, and total amount. So every email is personalized automatically. After saving the template, Email.js provides a template ID. Finally, I will go to the account section and choose the API keys section and copy my public API key. Now we have all the values we need the service ID, template ID, and public key. We need these three to paste in HighLevel AI Studio so that it can connect with these email services. Now let's go back to the HighLevel project and connect them. The integration is still already prepared. We just need to replace the placeholder values with our own service ID, template ID, and public key that we copied from email.js. I will paste all the three values into a email.js configuration file and save the changes. That's it. The setup is now complete. From this point on, whenever a customer places an order, the website automatically sends the customer and order details to email.js. Email.js then uses our template to generate the email and instantly delivers a real order confirmation email to the customer's inbox. Now let's place order and taste whether everything is working correctly or not. So I will open one of the product. Right away, we get a dedicated product page with multiple image, product detail, available colors, different size option, customer reviews, and related product recommendation. I will simply choose my preferred color, size, keep quantity as 1, and click on add to cart. The product has now been added successfully. Now let's open the shopping cart. Here I can review my order, update the quantity, apply a coupon code if needed, and see the complete order summary before proceeding to checkout. Now let's click on proceed to checkout button. First, I will enter the shopping details. First, I will enter the shipping details, my name, my email ID, contact number, and my address. And then I will just continue to payment. Here we can choose from multiple payment options like credit card, Apple Pay, PayPal, and more, along with a complete order summary. So right now I will choose the PayPal option for this demo. Please note that this is only for demo. I'm not making a real payment, but you can if you build this way. So I will now click on pay and complete the order. Within a few seconds, the payment is processing successfully and our order is placed. You can see this. The dashboard is showing us a successful order placement. At the same time, an order confirmation email is automatically sent to the customer's email address with all the important details. As you can see, I have sent to this my personal email. The order confirmation email has been delivered successfully. Now let's switch to the urban style admin dashboard on the website only. Right now we have 4 customer orders, 24 product in catalog, and 4 CRM workflows already configured. We can also see the total revenue generated, the average order value, and the overall sales performance. So with just one dashboard, we get a complete overview of how our online store is performing. Right now it is in the website, but we can hide it later. Now let's open the GoHighLevel CRM dashboard. This is the main thing. As soon as a customer signs up or place an order, all the information is automatically synced here. If I open a contact section, I can see every customer along with their name, email, phone number, and complete activity history. If I open any contact, I can also view the order ID, total order value, purchased product, shipping address, tracking number, payment method, and other custom fields, all stored inside a single customer profile. The submission sections shows every event in a real time, including customer signups, order placed, shipping updates, incomplete order reminders, and review requests. HighLevel has also generated some useful CRM automations for this e-commerce store. The order confirmation workflow automatically sends the confirmation email after every purchase. Shipping updates keeps customer informed as their order processes. Incomplete order reminders automatically follow up with customers who leave without completing their purchase. And finally, review requests ask customer share their feedback after the order is delivered. These automations help save time and improve the overall customer experience. And that's it. Our complete fashion e-commerce store is now ready. The final step is to publish it. Simply go back to HighLevel AI Studio and in the top right corner, you will see the publish button. Just click it and within few moments, your website will be live and ready for customers. Honestly, I'm really impressed with the HighLevel AI Studio can build. From creating a complete e-commerce website to managing products, orders, CRM, automation, and real email workflow. Everything can be managed from just one dashboard and super easy way. If you would like to build the same and you want to build your e-commerce store, your fashion store, or whatever kind of Shopify kind of website for your own, you must try your free HighLevel trial using the link in the description. If you are from India, use the India link, and if you are outside India, use the international link. I have mentioned both in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in comments what you like me to build next using HighLevel AI Studio. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.